feel lost in pieces. You make me levitate. Somebody said it's fate. Somehow you always fix the broken pieces. You are the only thing that is benefit for me. And you are the only one that I ever thought I need. When I'm with you, I'm better forever with you. When I'm with you.
Good afternoon everyone! Welcome back to the Hognos. For today, babalik tayo ng Bohol for a quick holiday getaway. Actually, marami kaming kinonsider na ibang destination, pero since limited lang yung time natin, dito na lang muna tayo within the Philippines. For this trip, sa Henan tayo magstay, and excited kaming bumalik kasi yung last stay namin doon during pandemic pa. So tara, sama kayo, gala tayo! Okay, we just arrived here at Tagbilaran Airport. Welcome back to Bohol, Cyril. Kawawa si Cyril, medyo na ano siya kanina. Nahilo siya kasi ma-turbulence yung flight. You okay? Kawawa naman si Cyril. She doesn't feel good. It's okay, we'll rest tonight lang naman, ha? Nantay lang natin si Daddy and the luggage. Okay, ayan na siya. Let's go. So, Cyril can rest na. Okay, nakuha na natin yung luggage. Labas na tayo and let's look for the Henan representative. What are you doing, Cyril? Are you feeling better, ma'am? Okay. Good. Ayun, si Kuya.
Flight I've ever
Was it fast? Hello po.
3%.
Yes pa. Sige pa. Thank you. Okay. Isa talaga tong Tagbilaran Airport sa best airports locally. Ang ganda ng airport nila. Pwedeng lumaban sa NAIA. Wow. Malinis, organized, hindi crowded. Right, ma'am? Okay, inaantay na lang natin yung yung van. Alright, here we go. Feeling better, Cyril?
It's so cold.
Yeah? Okay. Oopsie.
Where do you want me down?
Okay, nandito na tayo sa Henan Resort. Pasok na tayo sa loob. Check-in na tayo. Ayan. So, I think Cyril is feeling better. Oh, Cyril, oh. Nakikita mo ba yun? Cakes. Let's wait for our turn. Alright, let's go to our room. Cyril, do you remember it now? Not yet? Yung layout dito, Boracay na Boracay. Crystal Senso. Yeah, right? Oh, lapit lang. That's nice. Hello everyone! Nandito na tayo sa Henan Alona, Bohol. Room tour na tayo agad, okay? Okay, so pagpasok mo, kita mo agad yung bedroom. This is just a deluxe room, pero dito muna tayo sa bathroom. So, ayan, they have the shower area here. And then dito yung sink. And then there's the toilet and the bidet. And you have the towels there. And then dito naman, andito na yung mirror. Ayan. And then, we have a king-size bed here. And may side tables. And here's the TV. And may working area dito. And then, dining area here. Hi, Cyril! How are you feeling? Better? Okay. And then dito sa labas, may mini balcony siya. Ayan, simple lang yung room. Actually, kanina, tinitingnan namin kung mag-upgrade sana kami sa, Premier na may direct pool access. Kaso, naisip namin maingay. So, okay na to. Okay naman yung room. Okay na sa amin yung deluxe room dito sa Henan. Okay, so, anong next, Cyril? Dinner?
Yeah.
Can we go outside?
After this.
After this, rest muna. Okay. Okay, so pahinga lang kami saglit, tas labas tayo for dinner. Okay, labas na tayo for dinner. Try natin tumingin ng mga restaurants sa beachfront kung may open pa. At ang kinaganda, super lapit natin sa elevator. As in yan lang, tas pagliko doon, room na namin. Tas dito pala yung breakfast nila dalawa, isang Coral Cafe and yung sa beachfront, yung Sea Breeze. Round. Okay. Nakalimutan ko na yung daan pa beachfront. Pero, ayan. Dito tayo. And, ito yung night view ng Henan. Actually, this is one of the things I remember here. Yung mga pools nila. Ang dami. And then, ang ganda. Tomorrow, we'll probably try to walk around the resort. Pero, it's nice to see yung nighttime view niya. Hala, nalito na ako. Saan yung yung daan? Kasi iba yung room natin noon sa kabila. Ayan. Ayan, pababa. So, kung tayo, premier room tayo sa mga ganun siya, No, it's not. Sarado. Sa villas yun. Baka doon. Tingnan natin. What? Intrusive thoughts. Sa beachfront.
Oh, look at this.
What? Oh, yeah. So nice.
I think it's for Japan.
Doon? Ah, okay. Sige. May daan ba rito? Okay. Parang hindi natin pinuntahan tong area na to masyado dati, no? Actually, mahal, parang peaceful nga, iyo. Tingnan mo. Sa bagay. Si Cyril pa naman konting ingay. Nagigising na siya. Ang daming pool, Cyril. Alright. And then, dito yung Christina's. Ayan, dati kasi yung room natin dito banda. Ito ata yung family rooms nila eh. Natatandaan mo? Oo, dyan yung picture ni Cyril nun ng birthday niya. Oo. Yeah, oo, I remember now. Oo. Yeah. Nice. Ang ganda ng nung nighttime view dito. Ayun, nakita ko na. Yung malaking pool. Wait, before we go to the beachfront, yeah,
Can I stop first?
yeah.
It's Kai.
Oh, Kai, yeah. He's rich. He has his own spa. Ito yun. Ay, bakit parang ano? Hindi siya lively. Or doon pa siya sa baba. Dami talaga. Ah, ayun, sa baba nga. Yung pinaka main pool nila. Sabi ko kasi sa inyo na nagpunta kami dito, it was pandemic. So, hindi lahat ng pools operational nun. But, ito yung main pool nun. Oh, di ba? Ang ganda. Oh my God, ang saya. Ah, that.
Mommy, there's a snail.
A snail? Okay. Okay, tara, baba na tayo. So we can get a better view. Ngayon medyo konti pa yung tao. Feeling ko bukas dadami yan. It's so nice. And this is yung Sea Breeze Cafe. You still don't remember?
Hey, I found another snail.
Where is it? You found another snail? Okay. Oh yeah, there it is. Okay, let's go to the beachfront.
It's so slow.
Oh, ayan, ang saya. May pa-live band pa sila. Oh, they have ano. So yung dinner buffet nila? Ayan ba yun? Baby, nung birthday mo noon, dyan tayo nagpa-set up ng dinner. Yeah. Saya. Okay, let's look for food. Lakad tayo papunta doon ng dong direction tayo pumunta. Kasi rito sa other side, Amorita Resort ata yun, if I'm not mistaken. Pero yun, medyo dead end na doon. So dito tayo maglakad. Wow! I forgot how Alona looks at night. Kasi nung, what do you call this? Nung pandemic, hindi siya ganito. Tapos, nung mga sunod na balik namin, hindi naman kami napapadpad dito ng gabi. So, it's nice to see it at night. Oh, 'di ba? Meron din sila nung sand castle. Yung kagaya sa Boracay. Nice. Grabe, ang dami rin tao ah. Andito silang lahat. Excuse me. Alright. Pero mukhang medyo La Union feels dito ah. Di ba? Ganyan yung nightlife dun eh. So where are we gonna eat? Pyramid. So let's walk here. Do you wanna eat here? Beachfront? Parang dito maraming tao, no? Oo, hindi kaya masarap dyan. What do you think? Pero no? Ha? Hindi ko alam eh. Pero, lakad pa tayo doon? Pero ang nakakapagtaka, hindi siya hindi sila yung marami nagtatawag for dinner. Hindi kagaya sa Boracay, di ba? I like it. I like Alona Beach at night. Pero ito lang ha, ito yung pinagkaiba. Yung beachfront talaga nila, kahit gabi, makikita mo na hindi siya malinis. Like, I can see some plastic bottles. Ayan o. Diba? Hindi kagaya ni Boracay na super clean talaga. Alright, I think we need to, we need to pick a restaurant kasi gutom na si Cyril. What's that restaurant? Yung malaki na yun? Ayan, dito pa. So, syempre, alam na, ang hinahanap namin yung may crispy pata. Kasi yun ang kinakain ni Cyril. How about here? Ano to? Oasis Resort. Tingnan natin yung menu nila. Okay, walang crispy pata doon. Lakad pa tayo.
Thank you so much. Once again, welcome to Jay Park Island Resort.
What's this? Baka dito? Jay Park Island Resort. Okay, wala kaming nakita rito sa beachfront na may crispy pata. So dito tayo, may daan dito pa main road. Titignan natin kung may makukuha tayo or may makikita tayong restaurant na may crispy pata. Oh, actually, I see a McDonald's real. Ayan, lakad lang tayo, hanap tayo. Ayaw ni Cyril lang ano. Yeah? Ice cream? You want? Okay, go. Oh, but it's different, I think. Let's go inside.
I think there's chocolate.
Okay, let's go inside. Okay. Cyril wants chocolate fudge. Or may coffee, oh. Sarap yan. Anong name nitong store? Isa pang chocolate fudge. Ano pangalan, mahal? What? Tastes like what?
Milk.
Milka. Wow, success. Yummy? Okay. Okay, nakabili na si Cyril ng, what do they call that? Popsicle?
Mellow pangalan natin.
Ano yung name niya? Mellow. In fairness, masarap no, Cyril? Thumbs up. Yeah? Okay. So, ito, baka meron dito. Mukhang Filipino, ano to?
Belly lang.
Harbor. Tingnan natin, baka meron.
Oh, baby.
In fairness, no, parang ang laki na ng binago rito, no? Kailan lang tayo ulit nagpunta last year? Oh, naglakad tayo dito last year lang. Last year doon kami nagstay sa Bellevue. At ito yung bagong bukas, yung Jay Park Island Resort. Dami oh.
Ay, may kainin sa likod.
Yeah. Oo, yung buffet kanina sila yon. Ito rin, may bukas na Japanese restaurant. Do you want Japanese? Ramen? If there's no choice, let's see their menu. But, no, they do have tonkotsu ramen. Okay. Yeah. Ako rin mas gusto ko Filipino food ngayon eh. Actually, in-expect ko nga seafood kaso wala. O, eto, baka meron. Hindi, wala. Oh, yeah. Bakit mahirap maghanap ng crispy pata rito? Oh my God! May ice flakes! Nice! Kuya, ka na nagbukas to?
Noong last year na.
Last year ng anong buwan to? October! Sige po. Thank you. Kaya pala hindi pa natin naabutan siya noon. Oh, alam na. Okay.
Nila ba? Sabi ko, Diyos ko,
Dito, ay meron din dito oh. Tara, pasok tayo rito. Let's see kung anong meron dito. Wow! Parang ano to yung sa, anong pangalan? Nakalimutan ko. Yung malapit sa D-Mall, sa Boracay. I forgot the name, but anyway. Okay, kung crispy pata itong Jerry's, for sure meron. Pero tingin pa tayo. Ooh, I like the song. Okay. Mukhang narating na natin yung dulo niya. Wala, ano na to? Shops. So what do you want, Cyril? You really want crispy pata? Sige, doon na lang. Jerry's. Oh, try lang natin. Okay, let's go. Ayun lang, oh. Okay, dahil sa paghahanap namin ng crispy pata, dito kami sa Jerry's Grill bumagsak. Alright, so ito yung order natin. Crispy pata, and then pork barbecue, and sisig. Sana magustuhan to ni Cyril kasi alam ko talaga may spice tong crispy pata nila na parang, ano, parang cinnamon. But we'll see, okay? Let's try it, okay? Try mo. Try it.
This one inside.
This one inside is good. Okay, how about the, ano? Pwede na? Ah, okay, good. That's good. Ang laki ng pork nila, oh. Ngayon lang ulit ako kumain ng, ano, Jerry's. At tagal na natin hindi kumain dito, no? Oh, in fairness, ang sarap ng pork. Let's try the sisig. Not good, may konting lasa siya. Okay naman, no? Bakit nung pagkakatanda ako dati, parang sobrang turned off tayo nun. Pero yeah, it's okay. Okay yung crispy pata nila.
Ikot kaya natin, man. May sili ito eh.
Yeah, sige. Sabi ko nga, wag na lagyan ng spices eh. But anyway, kain muna kami. Okay, tapos na kami kumain. Sa Jerry's Grill kami napadpad. In fairness, no, yung crispy pata nila, masarap pala. Pero yung sisig hindi, yung barbecue okay din. So that's it for today. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye!